Here's how to fit underlay for a stair runner on a straight staircase. To do this, you will need a tape measure, a hammer, a pair of scissors, a staple gun, snips, a pencil, carpet grippers and underlay. Step 1. Cutting the carpet gripper to size. Measure the width of the runner using your tape measure and make note of this measurement. Then, allowing 1 centimeter or 0.4 inches either side to act as a spacer, mark the runner width on the carpet gripper and cut to size. Make sure you mark it 2 centimeters or roughly 1 inch shorter than the width of your runner, otherwise the gripper will stick out the side of the runner. Using this gripper as a guide, cut your other grippers to the same size. You'll need to use 2 carpet grippers per step. Step 2. Fitting the carpet gripper. Place the gripper onto the step, making sure that the spikes are facing toward the riser and the gripper is positioned in the center of the step. Using a nail and hammer, secure the gripper into the step. Secure at both ends and the middle to ensure that the gripper stays in place. Place the second gripper into position, making sure the spikes on the gripper are facing towards the step. Leave a finger's width between your grippers and check that the arrows on your grippers are facing the correct direction. These spikes will act as the grip for your stair runner, so it's important they are facing each other. Step 3. Fitting the underlay. The underlay packs we offer are unique, as the pads and grippers come pre-cut. This makes the whole process much more manageable, as they only need to be trimmed to fit the size of your runner. Using your earlier measurement, cut the underlay to the same width as the carpet grippers using a pair of scissors. Then, place the underlay onto the tread. Make sure it's flush against the gripper and staple the underlay into position. Once this is done, cut off any excess underlay. Repeat this process for every step until your entire stairway is complete. You have successfully completed your underlay installation, ready to fit your carpet stair runner.